the sun's so bright. Baby grabs a backpack, feeling light. Little chicks are chirping, cheep, cheep, cheer. Let's go to school, the day is here. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Wiggle your wings to the happy beat. Jump up high, then touch the ground. School time fun is all around.
Baby paints with colors red and blue. Little chicks say we'll paint too. They draw a rainbow
Big and wide, laughing loud with joy and pride. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Wiggle your wings to the happy beat. Spin around and strike a pose. That's how learning really goes. Snack time comes and what a treat. Juicy fruits and corn so sweet. Little chicks peck and baby munches, singing songs in happy bunches. Count the stars and ABCs. Sing with joy and bend your knees. Dance like chicks, hop to the tune. We'll learn and play till afternoon. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Wiggle your wings to the happy beat. Wave goodbye, the bell has rung, but tomorrow brings more fun. Baby yawns, the chicks all sigh. Time to rest under the sky. School was fun with friends so dear. We'll meet here again, same time next year. We'll meet again, same time next year.
Hello friends, hit like if having fun. Hit share to show love. Subscribe so you never miss fun.